At Canexpo/AGG 2026, the RlPPA R32 Pro is one of the star machines at our booth. Positioned as a semi-professional excavator, it's built for light construction and large farm applications. Designed for contractors and professional users, the R32 Pro delivers stronger performance, greater stability, and reliable output for real working conditions. Its reinforced boom and arm structure provide confident digging and lifting power, while the optimized chassis improves balance and control during demanding tasks. The hydraulic system ensures smooth, precise operation, making it ideal for continuous commercial use. In terms of applications, the R32 Pro handles light commercial construction, large drainage ditch excavation, driveway reconstruction, and heavy log handling with ease. If you need a compact machine with serious capability, this is the one to see. Visit us in Las Vegas. Booth, Diamond Lot, D1130. Scan the QR code in this video to book your demo. We look forward to meeting you at Canexpo/AGG 2026.